We use the Cockroach managed services. It's really easy. It's a matter of pushing a few buttons in the web UI, and we have a new cluster up and running. It's a matter of minutes. My name is Jacob Willoughby. I'm the CTO of Storj. Storj was founded in 2015, 2014 around the concept of, can we do cloud object storage better? Over the years, we've built a cloud object storage solution that can rival those of AWS and Google Cloud and the major hyperscalers, one that is more privacy focused and is also faster, has better performance, and costs a lot less. We had a few goals for our database because we knew we were going to build an object storage system that needed to scale to billions, if not trillions of objects, and be able to scale to exabytes of capacity. We knew that there were other databases out there that claimed high availability, but under the hood, if you really tested them, they didn't really have it. We looked deeply at what Cockroach was doing and the great documentation that you had on the consistency model that you were going to use, and knew that it was something that we could use and trust because there were experts behind it. We use Google Cloud as where we deploy our databases, which works well because we use Kubernetes engine on Google Cloud. And so having them being able to be available in the same regions that we run our API servers is very helpful and beneficial. We have plans to expand in almost every single continent and be able to have clusters available there as well. If you start with Cockroach from day one, then you don't have to worry about scaling into it. If you try to premature optimize for scaling, you're going to do a lot of work that you don't need. But if you can simply just make a choice of the database earlier and not have any negative impacts when developing your product, like we didn't, we were able to develop and build the product just as fast as we would have on top of Postgres or any other database. And then when we needed it, because we have in the past year or two, we've scaled dramatically. And so I've talked about how we are managing a 5.1 billion rows and 5 terabytes of capacity and 5,000 operations per second is what we're averaging, and 1,500 writes per second into our database. That was not there a year or two ago. And all we did to scale into that load and that amount of capacity was push some buttons in our management console to add additional capacity to our database.